Hi everybody, we're going to go through this question number 33 from Merchant Taylor's School, and this is our second paper we're looking at. So we've already gone through a few questions from the first sample paper, and this is our second sample paper that we're going to go through now. We're going to go through question 33 and 3 or 4 more others as well. Okay, so let's read the question. Two different clocks show the time 3 o'clock. The first gains 5 minutes per hour and the second gains 20 minutes per hour. How long will it be in hours before both clocks look as though they show the same time? And so, as it's a 12-hour clock, what we can think about is the fact that it might be 12 a.m. somewhere, or it might be 12 a.m. on one clock, but it represents 12 p.m. on another clock, as an example. And so that's something to think about. Considering that both clocks are at 3 o'clock, and one gains 5 minutes per hour, and one gains 20 minutes per hour. So that means that every hour, clock number 2 is 15 minutes ahead or further ahead. Okay, 15 minutes further ahead. Okay, and how does that help us? Well, that means that if it's every hour 15 minutes, then that means every 4 hours clock 2 will be another 1 hour ahead. And so that's something else that we have to consider for this question. And so, having thought about that, we have to kind of think about when will they have the same time. If it's always 15 minutes ahead every hour, then the only time they can kind of get together is about 12 hours, when they have about 12 hours difference. Because if they have a 12-hour difference, that must mean that they're back at the same time on a clock face, but their one clock is 12 hours ahead in terms of AM PM. But that doesn't really matter here because the fact that it's a 12-hour clock. And so in order for us to get this as 12 hours ahead rather than just 1 hour, that means this times 12. In order for that to happen, we need to multiply this by 12. And so 12 times 4 equals 48 hours. So in 48 hours time, they'll have the same time on the clock, which will be 3 o'clock again, right? So if it's 3 o'clock now, 12 hours time, it'll be 3 o'clock again. So the question is, how long will it be in hours before both clocks look as though they have shown the same time? It will be 48 hours time. 48 hours time. Okay, hope that helped.